friends and hello everyone. So Paryushans are going on and I was really craving quesadillas, so I made some Paryushan style. So let's start. Start by adding some soaked red chillies, kidney beans, cumin powder, grated paneer, salt and pepper. Grind it. Now for the dip. Add some hunkered and some seasonings. Mix it well. Then add some salt and pepper and let it cool. Grease the pan. Place a tortilla on top. Flip it. Take another tortilla. Add the filling. Put the other tortilla on top of it and cook it on either sides like a sandwich. Cut it. Add the dip and you're ready to dig in. Hey guys, we're done. I hope you enjoyed it. So follow Unicorn Friends on Instagram, subscribe and like. Bye!